औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम सेकंड ईयर का सी लैंग्वेज का इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर कर रहे हैं। चैप्टर नंबर 8, व्हाट इज़ अ प्रोग्राम एंड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज। प्रोग्राम क्या होते हैं और प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज क्या है। अ वेल डिफाइंड set of instruction given to the computer is called program. A computer program is writing in a programming language. A person who develop a program is called programmer. जो डेवलप करता है प्रोग्राम उसको हम प्रोग्रामर कहते हैं। आगे है प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, a set of words and symbols used to write program is called programming language. The programming language are used to write a computer program. A programming language is a means of communication between a user and computer. आगे what is low level language? Low level language are near to the computer hardware and far from human language. High level language, a type of language that is close to human language, is called a high level language. Defined source code and objective code. Source code, a program writing in a high level language is called a source code. Source code is called a source program. Computer cannot understand directly. Computer cannot understand the statement of high level language. The source code cannot be executed by the computer directly. It is converted into objective code and then executed. Objective code क्या होता है? A program in machine language is called a objective code. It is also called a machine code. Computer understand only objective code directly. जो होता है ना, computer understand objective code directly. Describe language processor or translator. Discuss different type of translator. Computer understand only machine language. A program writing in a high level assembly language cannot be run on a computer directly. Every computer language is a translator. Type of translator: compiler, interpreter, assembler. Compiler. A compiler is a program that converts the instruction of high-level language into machine language as a whole. A program writing in a high-level language is called a source code. The compiler converts the source program into machine code. Source code, compiler, objective program. आगे interpreter. An interpreter is a program that converts one statement of a program into machine at a one time. It's executed a statement before translating the next statement of a source program. Assembler. Assembler is a translating program that translates the instruction of assembly language into machine code. What is means by the structure programming language? In structure programming language, the entire logic of the program is divided into number of the smallest module, where each module piece of code implement a different functionality. What is define the derivative? Hash define derivative is an important preprocessor directive. It is used to define a constant macro. Define header file. Header file contain definition and variable which is important or used into any C++ program using the preprocessor. Hash include statement header file have an extension .h. Define delimiter. Delimiter next to the function definition are because which indicate beginning and The function body. These are brackets are called delimiter. Define bugs. What its type. Program error are called bugs. There are three types of bugs: syntax error, runtime error, logical error. Debugging, the process of finding and removing bugs error from the program is called debugging. What is syntax error? Syntax error क्या है? A syntax error occurs when the program violates one or more grammar rule of the C language. List any four commonly used high level language. Example of the high level languages. जो हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज के एग्जाम्पल है ना, C++, जावा, पास्कल, फोर्ट्रान। ये जो मैंने आपको सवाल मैंने रीड किए ना, ये बहुत ही मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है सेकेंड ईयर के कंप्यूटर के 12वीं क्लास के। ये मैंने इम्पोर्टेंट बनाए हैं, ठीक है। आप इसको रीड करें और अपने मार्क्स गेन करें। ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट लॉन्ग सवाल है, शॉर्ट है ये अगर आप करेंगे आपके लॉन्ग भी हो जाएंगे। थैंक यू वीडियो देखने के लिए, और मेरे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करें। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़।